Plants may appear still and silent, yet inside every leaf and root runs a complex chemical factory. One of the most critical elements driving this system is nitrogen. Nitrogen is essential for proteins, enzymes, nucleic acids, and chlorophyll. Even though nitrogen makes up nearly 78% of the atmosphere, plants cannot use it directly. They rely on nitrogen in the soil as nitrate, ammonium, or organic compounds. Without nitrogen, plant growth is stunted, leaves turn yellow, and productivity falls. The question is, how plants absorb, convert, and use nitrogen efficiently. This process is known as nitrogen metabolism, a regulated network of reactions. Nitrogen metabolism supports plant growth, ecosystem balance, and crop productivity. It also involves root systems, enzymes, energy from photosynthesis, and microbial interactions. Understanding nitrogen metabolism helps improve agriculture and food security. In this video, we will explore how plants acquire, transform, and utilize nitrogen. Nitrogen metabolism is the process by which plants take up nitrogen and convert it into usable forms. Plants absorb nitrogen mainly as nitrate and ammonium ions from the soil. Some plants, like legumes, benefit from nitrogen fixed by symbiotic bacteria. Nitrogen is vital for amino acids, the building blocks of proteins and enzymes. It is also required for nucleic acids like DNA and RNA. Chlorophyll, essential for photosynthesis, is nitrogen dependent. Soil nitrogen is not always directly usable. Nitrate must be reduced to ammonium. Conversion into amino acids requires energy, enzymes, and cofactors. Efficient nitrogen metabolism ensures survival, growth, and reproduction. It also informs fertilizer use and helps prevent environmental pollution. Nitrogen is abundant in the environment, but usable forms for plants are limited. Atmospheric nitrogen N is inert and cannot be used directly by most plants. Soil nitrogen exists as nitrate, ammonium, urea, and organic compounds. Microorganisms convert these forms into plant-available nitrogen. Nitrifying bacteria convert ammonium into nitrate for plant absorption. Legumes have symbiotic bacteria like rhizobium that fix atmospheric nitrogen. Soil nitrogen availability depends on pH, temperature, moisture, and microbial activity. Roots absorb nitrate and ammonium through active transport mechanisms. Nitrate is reduced to nitrite by nitrate reductase in the cytoplasm. Nitrite is transported into chloroplasts and reduced to ammonium by nitrite reductase. Ammonium is toxic in free form, so plants assimilate it rapidly into amino acids. The GS-Goget pathway converts ammonium into glutamine and glutamate. These amino acids are nitrogen donors for other amino acids and proteins. Nitrogen is also used to form nucleotides, chlorophyll, enzymes, and hormones. Amino acids are transported through xylem and phloem to growing tissues. Symbiotic nitrogen fixation supplements nitrogen in legumes and enriches soil. Nitrogen metabolism integrates absorption, reduction, assimilation, and transport. This network allows plants to survive in nitrogen-poor soils and maintain growth. Nitrogen metabolism is essential for plant growth, reproduction, and productivity. Adequate nitrogen ensures synthesis of proteins, enzymes, nucleic acids, and chlorophyll. Nitrogen deficiency causes stunted growth, yellow leaves, and low yield. Excess nitrogen damages plants and pollutes the environment. Understanding nitrogen metabolism is crucial for sustainable agriculture. Efficient nitrogen use increases crop productivity and protects ecosystems. Symbiotic nitrogen fixation by bacteria supports soil fertility and plant growth. Plants and microorganisms work together to make nitrogen available and usable. Nitrogen metabolism converts inorganic nitrogen into essential organic compounds. It sustains life and supports agriculture worldwide. Studying nitrogen metabolism reveals the elegance of plant biochemical systems. This knowledge helps optimize crops, protect the environment, and ensure food security. Nitrogen metabolism is more than a chemical process. It is a life support system. It connects soil, plants, microorganisms, and humans in sustaining life on Earth. Learning about nitrogen metabolism gives insight into plant biology and ecology. It guides better agricultural practices for future generations. Nitrogen metabolism highlights how plants transform simple nutrients into life-sustaining molecules. It demonstrates efficiency, adaptability, and the remarkable integration of plant processes. Understanding this process empowers us to protect plants, ecosystems, and the planet. Nitrogen metabolism is key to sustaining life, food production, and environmental balance.